What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmurds. What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmurds.
Beverage of the video today, Coke Zero. Not a Detroit brand. Folks, thank you for clicking on this video because it's going to be a great one. Doing a collaboration cook with Paddy Joe Cooking. And what is that? It's the cheese ball hot dog collaboration. Now I think I know what Mr. PJC is going to do. I think he's going to do something pretty much like what I'm going to do. But there's only one way to find out what I'm going to do. Let's get to it. quiet, you crows. I got these hot dogs at Sam's, and I'm pretty sure they're the same ones that they sell at their little food stand that they have. Pretty good. I think it came in an 8-pack. Little lady loves to eat these there, but she says she doesn't want to eat them at home because they're fattening. I'm like, it's the same hot dog. Looks done to me, and they look great. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Lodge Sportsman's Grill. Oh man, can't wait to have this. With the jalapenos, oh my gosh. And I have to have mustard on a hot dog every time. Look at that. All right, let's do this. Very good. If you don't have cheese in the refrigerator and you want to make a cheese dog, and you got some cheese balls, do this. I like it. That was fun. Thank you folks for watching. I had a great time. Paddy Joe Cooking, thank you for suggesting it. And folks, I got breaking news. I never really was on a cheese ball diet. Till next time, I'm Paul.